Today I have Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Samsung. The customer says there was be not charged. There will be, I put the cable that was not charging. We put the cable, charging cable. That's what not put it. It was not put it and not charging. It was not charging and I will put it this cable. It was not charged. But I will remove this and remove the sound. I will remove this and I will check this one. And there's some garbage here. We'll check this. This is some garbage. We will wash this. I will check this some garbage here. Oh no, this is some garbage. I will check this and I have washed this both properly. And we will check. We will put the cable. That one